In this video, I'll be taking you to Asda to get some soil because I want to plant, and then also to African store because I want to pick up some little African food stuff there, and then we will come back home. So here we are in Asda. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. My returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting my channel. I really appreciate you. God bless you all. Please remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So it was the kid back to school, you know, they just the next day, and this is us rushing to Asda to go to George and pick up some things for them. We always go there to get their school uniforms. I know it doesn't last that long, but I mean it's cheaper, so whenever we just get it and it's spoiled, we rush back there to get it. And then we're here looking around. So much stuff are just up. They have lovely kids stuff and even adult and all that. I must say this Asda is very big, very big. Like, the food section is so big, as you can see. The end of it is right down there and it's so massive. If you're up there, you're going to see how big it is. I've not seen an Asda that is so big. I've not seen a Asda, just one of them, but it's so big. I mean, well, we continued then choose the school uniform for my daughter. My son needed a new sock, so here we are just checking out the socks. We picked up like a pair of 7 different, you know, socks for him, and then I just looked around for my undies and stuff like that, picked them up, then headed to the African store and picked up some plantains, some green, that's spinach, and then some ugu leaf, which is called pumpkin, and then other stuff like crayfish, locust beans, turkey, beef, and you know, other stuff, just like some African food stuff basically. Then headed to the meat section. I bought some, you know, meat from here. To be honest, this African store that day, it was very scattered. I don't know why, but yeah, anytime I come to this African store, they must delay me in that food section, in that meat section. It's just somehow. Anyway, let's get home. We're back from the African store now, and I am going to show you everything that we bought there. I couldn't talk there because mostly it's always noisy, and the other thing is that we were rushing to get back home, and yeah, that is the main reason. So let's continue. We bought crayfish, and then we bought locust beans. You see these 2 ingredients, I am not the fan of them. To those that are eating it is okay, but you see these 2 ingredients, I am not the fan of it. Why I bought this, and I don't even know how this one is going to finish. I guess when we eat dadawa and all that, so, but I don't also like cooking with dadawa all the time, but we eat dadawa, so that one is understandable. But you see crayfish, my husband don't even like it, no matter how tasty the food is. Once he starts smelling this, he don't like it at all. So I guess it's because we grew up where that was not our food, and we can't just adjust like that. It's just like we all have food that we won't eat, so that doesn't mean we hate the food as well. So I also bought okra. So this is turkey drum stick. This is cow liver. This is cow kidney. I bought plantains. There were 5, but I've used 1 this evening. We had that with dinner. I bought ginger this much. I don't even know how much this cost. I wasn't looking at it because I was rushing, but ginger is always expensive here, so this should be around £3 or £4 something. I'll be cooking vegetables, so I bought this green leaf. We call this alayahu. I think that's why we call it alayahu, or some people call it, yeah, kubewa and all those things. Kubewa is not this one, that's alayahu. Then I bought ugu, pumpkin leaf. There are 2 of them here. I'll be cooking vegetable soup. That is why I bought that crayfish. Normally I wouldn't even buy it when I'm cooking vegetable soup, but I bought this one because, like I said, people. people. And I bought popcorn. We love making our popcorn from the house. We don't like buying it from the store because it's very easy to make, so we make it at home. I bought the kernel so that we can make it. I bought one carton of bell pepper. I keep calling this bell pepper. What is my problem? I bought one carton of long pointed pepper. Normally this carton is always 15 pounds, but now they sell it for 10 pounds something. I don't know why, but it was only one left, so they said I can't take two. It was 2.5 left. They said I can't take two of it, so I have to just take one. And yeah, today I wish I made, just like I said earlier, I'm going to be cooking this tomorrow. If I'm cooking it tomorrow, I'll carry you along, or anytime I cook. Look at, excuse me. Hello. Hello. I wanted to clean the house today, but I think I'll. I have to start again. And here, there's this aeroplane that is like this evening now. The aeroplane decides to just stay up here and not to go anywhere. It's just been there going round and round. I don't know if it's a day. I have cooked the soup and all that. I know I said I was either going to carry you along or not. I didn't promise I was going to carry you along, but I said I was either going to carry you along or show you the end result of the cooking. And you've seen bits and pieces of those clips that I just put just a little bit there. And this is evening. My husband and the kids are gone out, and I'm just here by myself. They've eaten food and the soup is all ready, just for me to portion it out, but I don't have enough storage for me to just pack the soup into the portions that I will be freezing, and anytime we want to eat, we'll just take it out from there. My kids came back from school and they told me that they didn't like the smell of the thing that was smelling in this house. That's because I've not cooked with crayfish in a very long time, so they don't know how it smells. And also the locust bean, and I told them just it's soup. Stop saying that. That's because we don't cook with crayfish. But yes, I'm done cooking the soup. It's just time for me to portion them out and everything. But this is that's the okra soup. From this okra soup, I think it's only my husband that I portioned out for. Then this is the vegetable soup. In this vegetable soup, I ate from, or I'm going to eat from this vegetable soup. My kids have also eaten from it. So yeah, that is it. I will see you all tomorrow. I have some clothes outside that I need to get them in. It's not much. It's just a few of my clothes that I dried outside, and I'll just bring them in, and that's it. I will see you all tomorrow. Something happened. My camera stand is broken. I'm really sad. Let me get it and you see. Stand. I'm not really happy about it, but it was a mistake, so I just don't know what to do. The other day my son just broke my camera stand. Look at it. It's all broken. Look. He was trying to pass while I'm recording, and he just he broke it. Look at that. Well, I told him not to worry because it's just a mistake. Now I don't know how to record video again. I have to put it somewhere. Now like here, I'm putting it on a window, on a drawer, like cupboard. So there's somewhere on the cupboard, I'm keeping it there. My camera stand is broken. Well, yeah, I can't record with tripod again. It's broken. This is the part that broke, the very important part. Yeah, that's it. We cannot do anything. It has broken. Well, I'm running late. They have PE. They have a VE day today in my children's school, so they said parents should come in. They're having like a picnic. Parents should come in with some snacks by 2 o'clock. 1:16. So they have VE day in my children's school today. They said parents should come in with some snacks. I'm trying to just mix up some snacks like chicken dip and chicken popcorn, then boil some egg and then some puff puff. I'll just mix it up and then I will take it to the school and just put some few snacks and I'll take it to school. My son is away. So let me be fast so that I will not go and be late. God I beg. I don't always like it when I get late. Yeah, I don't like it when I get late for the program. So let me just quickly fix it up. Look at that. This egg, is it real egg? It just broke. I don't know what kind of egg I bought. Oh. All of them, look at that. Let me see this one. Unless this one is better. It doesn't even look like a real egg. Look at inside the pot. It doesn't even look like a real egg. Let me see. I think I bought fake egg. But leave it, leave it. It looked like they painted it. Well, I don't even know if it's real or not. God will help us. See, this one just open on its own. Look. That one is not shaking. Look. I better not press and break it. It was on Friday, the 8th of May, that I told you I was going for the children picnic in school, but thankfully my husband came back and decided to go so that I can rest at home. He came back earlier, so he just drove to the school. They had fun and then they enjoyed the snack. They came back with some of the eggs, like you saw the clip. The eggs were so bad. I don't know if I bought a fake egg. I don't know, but they were so bad that we could not even use them. I just have to, like when I poured water in the pot, it started to bring out some white stuff. I was so scared for it. And then, yeah, the ones that remain, I just kept them in the fridge. I don't even know how it's going to be. The other ones, I have to throw them away and just find a way to get the children egg. And then they took it to school and they brought back one of the eggs, from the school. They just had two and then they came back. It was a very great, celebration and all that. And yes, that is it. I'm ending this random vlog here. This is a very random market and very random vlog, okay? I just saw these clips all over my phone, so I decided to pick them together. I hope it makes sense in one way or the other. Yeah, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Today is Sunday, so have a blessed week. I will see you. I did not post grocery haul for today. Today is 11th of wait, let me be sure. Today is Today is the 11th of May 2025. I'm going to be posting this video when I'm done editing today. Even if it's 9 p.m. or 10 p.m, I'll post it. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye. My hands are killing me.